Welcome to Creating with Mimi if you're new. Welcome back if not. Consider subscribing. I would love to have you. Today's video is all about trends for 2022. And a number one trend that you're going to see all year long is what? Wallpaper. Yes, we're going to talk about and break down all the particulars in reference to wallpaper and decor. Wallpaper is something that's been around for thousands of years. It goes in and out of season, but right now it's hot and it's coming back with a vengeance. The number one question is, where do I place wallpaper? Or how I do like the wallpaper, how do I decide what wallpaper to use and where am I going to place it? Let's get started. Number one question may be, how do I choose wallpaper? What would be the right wallpaper for me? Well, the first question you should ask yourself is, what is my style? What do I like? What do I want to style? Where I'm going to use the wallpaper. For instance, if you are contemporary wallpapers tend to not have a lot of pattern, or if they do have a lot of pattern, it would be on a larger scale. Consider contemporary wallpaper like the concrete. It's wallpaper made to look like concrete, or patterns that are super monochromatic or super graphic where it's graphic on a large scale. If you're traditional, your traditional wallpapers tend to be either a linen wallpaper or paper that has a pattern. Floral motifs tend to be a little bit more traditional. Take a look at this floral wallpaper in a powder room or a bathroom. Damask wallpaper, tulle wallpaper, wallpaper prints that have a bird, finishes that are reflective. These are the type of wallpapers that you guys should consider for 2022. How to choose where to place wallpaper? Great question. Because wallpaper is no longer, for the most part, going to be on all four walls in a space. We use it as a decorative tool. In a primary bedroom, it would probably be behind the headboard wall. Or in a living room, it can be the fireplace wall. Any wall that you want to create a focal point would be a great wall for wallpaper. Oftentimes, I will place wallpaper in a stairwell, and so it may cover just one wall on this stairwell, and it depends on the type of wallpaper. If it's a floral, I'm definitely only using one wall. If it is a pattern, but it's a pattern in terms of a concrete, then I may use it on 3 walls. But for the most part, I try to keep wallpaper to one wall in any given area. Instead of a focal point, wallpaper can be used as a supporting element in a space. So it just accents and it adds to some of the design style that's already going on in the space. Normally, if we're supporting something, it's going to be used at a minimum as well. When you're thinking about where to place the wallpaper, don't forget about ceilings. Ceilings are an excellent place. It adds a dramatic impact on a space. I placed wallpaper in my closet ceiling, and it is a textured wallpaper with a pattern, and it's not a floral, but it's a contemporary pattern. It has a reflective shimmer to it as well. It is stunning. Because it's in the ceiling, it's unexpected. Consider a massive mural. as a backdrop for a design or decor. This is super millennial and cool thing to do, is to have a massive mural as a backdrop in a living room, a bedroom, a dormitory area, because some of these wallpapers are easily removable, especially that stick and peel wallpaper that you can get at Target, you can get it at Walmart. These are great things to consider. Finally, great areas to place the wallpaper: entry halls, bedrooms, living rooms, great rooms. Anywhere in the house, actually, you can place the wallpaper. Just be very considerate of how much you use, the type of wallpaper you're using, if it has a pattern, if it does not have a pattern, and if you're using it as a focal point or a backdrop.
Everything about you perfectly undone, and I was like a statue staring into the sun. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed. 20 seconds later I did. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed. 20 seconds later I did. And I'm going down, and I'm going down, and I'm going down again, yeah. You don't need a lipstick to kill someone with a smile. Is this another trick I haven't played for a while? No. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed. 20 seconds later I did. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed. 20 seconds later I did.
Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to this point and you like the content, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. Until next time, make every day a great day.